Every year, when December arrives and the air turns cold, my home fills with one special aroma, the smell of my homemade Christmas fruitcake. It's more than just a recipe. It's a memory, a feeling, a celebration of love and togetherness. I still remember the first time I baked it. The lights twinkled on the tree, my children were wrapping gifts, and soft carols played in the background. The scent of cinnamon, nutmeg, and dried fruits filled every corner of our house. That's when I realized this isn't just a cake, it's Christmas itself. So today, I'm sharing my most beloved recipe, the best Christmas fruitcake that I bake every single year. Simple ingredients, easy steps, and a flavor that will make your holidays unforgettable. Before we begin, let's gather all the ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of butter, softened, 1 cup of brown sugar, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon orange zest, 1 cup of chopped nuts, walnuts, almonds, or pecans, 2 cups of mixed dried fruits, raisins, cherries, apricots, dates, 1 or 2 cup orange juice or rum for soaking, a pinch of salt. The secret to a perfect Christmas cake lies in one step, soaking the fruits. Pour your orange juice or rum over the dried fruits and let them rest. The fruits will drink in every drop of flavor, turning soft, rich, and fragrant. It's like they're preparing for the grand festival ahead. As they soak, the sweet and tangy aroma fills the air, and you can already feel Christmas coming alive. Now it's time to create the heart of our cake. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter and brown sugar until light and fluffy. This step is magical, the moment when sugar and butter blend into golden clouds of sweetness. Add eggs one by one, whisking gently. Then stir in the vanilla extract and orange zest. These give our cake that warm, citrusy Christmas glow. Now gently fold in the flour, baking powder, and spices. The aroma of cinnamon and nutmeg will make you feel like you're standing in Santa's kitchen. Finally, add the soaked fruits and chopped nuts. Stir slowly. Every spoonful should carry love, warmth, and a bit of nostalgia. Preheat your oven to 160 degree, 320 degree. Grease and line your cake pan with butter paper. Pour the batter in. It should be thick, rich, and speckled with colorful fruits. Place it gently into the oven, and now, wait. As the cake bakes, the smell of caramelized fruits, butter, and spice will wrap your home in joy. This waiting time is special. It's when I brew my coffee, look at the lights on the tree, and think about all the people I've shared this cake with. Friends, family, neighbors. Because baking isn't just about food, it's about sharing happiness. After about an hour and a half, your cake will rise beautifully, golden brown on top, firm yet soft inside. Let it cool. Brush it with a little warm honey or rum, and your masterpiece is ready. Now comes the best part, serving it. The inside glows with colors, red cherries, golden raisins, and hints of nuts. Take a bite. The flavor of Christmas explodes in your mouth, sweet, spicy, buttery, and full of warmth. Every year, this cake brings my family together. We laugh, share stories, exchange gifts, and remember how blessed we are. So when you bake this cake, remember, you're not just following a recipe. You're creating memories that last a lifetime. May your home be filled with love, laughter, and the sweet aroma of Christmas. Merry Christmas and happy baking!